bro. Come get your cut, man. You've been with him for like 5 months now, bro. You looking kind of rough, bro. Like, what's up? Just come get your cut. What's up, man? What you mean, man? I'm getting curly swirly. What you mean, man? Everybody like this, man. Everybody told me they like it. What you mean? What you need to do is come back to the wave game, man. You got like 20, 30 brushes now.
Come back to the wave game.
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
On the youth, he just sitting there collecting dust. You know what I mean? You always been good about. Yo, man, wake up, man. Alright, man, come on, get this cut, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, get this cut. Alright.
Hey yo, this your boy RC, and I know it's been a while, but I'm back at y'all with another one. So of course, like every cut, I'm gonna start off combing the hair to detangle it. Now using my Fabulous Low Pro clippers, with the blade open all the way, using the 1.5 guard.
Now, as you can see, I'm doing a lot of combing with this cut. He has very coarse hair, which means he has very tight curls. Since this is a light fade and I'm not balding him out, I'm going to open my blade up all the way to create my first line. With this particular cut, I want to keep the C-cup, so I'm not going to go into the fade into that area. I want to keep this fade as close to the ear as possible. And going into the next line, I'm going to close the blade all the way with the number 1 guard. Now I don't want to create any more lines, so I just want to take down some of the bulk by using the 1.5 guard and start smoothing the fade out. Now I'm attacking that first line, going back to where I first started, with that blade open all the way and the lever all the way down. Now as I attack that line, I'm only using my corners of the blade. I'm not going to use the whole blade, don't want to create a new line. I want to avoid taking the fade up any higher. I want to keep this fade as low as possible. Now going to the other side, I'm going to repeat the same exact steps. Using the same steps that I used for the temple area, I'm going to fade the back of the neck, also known as the nape area. Only difference here is I might use a trimmer to set the ball line. using my Babyless Gold FX trimmers, so I'm going to begin the lineup. As you can see, my client's hairline is very light. A lot of barbers are tempted to take that hairline back to where it's dark, just so you can see how crispy the hairline is. But you don't want to do that. As I said in a previous video, you want to keep that hairline right where it belongs. You don't want to push him back. You don't want his hairline receding. I'm going to keep it right there. Not everyone has the perfect hair, so I'm displaying that you can still get a nice crispy line even though his hairline is not perfect. Now I'm going to take my trimmer and trim down his hairs on the top just to smooth down the cut. Lay that hair down. Now my client didn't want any color enhancements, and because his hairline is so light, I'm going to highlight his lineup utilizing the barber pencil. Now I have a unique way of using the barber pencil. I explained it in a previous video entitled Wake Up. So go check that video out. It has a little bit of barber comedy in it. Also another tutorial in there. And if you like, subscribe, like, hit that bell button. Now I'm going to add on my finishing touches by hitting my client with the razor. I'm going to angle my razor at a 45-degree angle while stretching the skin, and carefully and slowly and take my time while using the edge of the razor, which is the sharpest part of the razor blade. Hey yo, so that is the finished cut. Thank y'all for watching once again. Like, subscribe. If you want more content, hit that notification button, that bell. And this is RC Crispy. Thank y'all for watching once again, and I'll see y'all next time. And remember, sharp is the only option. Hold up.
I was so close.
Huh? Huh?
Oh shoot! Wait.
All right, man. All right. Oh, you.
Hey, yo.